In this video, I'll be showing you how to use clipboard history in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, let's say you want to basically save a lot of things to your clipboard, anything that you copied in the past, and you want to go back to it. Well, this is what you have to do. The first thing you want to do is head on over to your settings. So to do this, all you got to do is go on to the bottom, type in settings right here. That is going to bring up your settings area. From here, all you want to do is go to system on the left, which is right under home, and then just scroll down until you find clipboard. So we're just going to enlarge this and then just click on clipboard. Right now, clipboard history for me is currently off. It says save multiple items to your clipboard. Press the Windows key and V to view your clipboard history and paste from it. So we're just going to turn it on right here. Now it's going to be saving my clipboard history. So now if I want to access anything like that, I want to press Windows and V, and it's going to show my clipboard history. It's going to show anything else, and if I want to clear it all, I can. Obviously, if I want to copy it all, I can do that as well. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.